Hi guys. A while back I talked about getting rid of the marble chips. They fade when they get wet. They turn yellow, blue, gray. Some of them even become that color in the bag. Anyway, I thought buying the Rust-Oleum Universal Paint Primer Gloss would help, along with the clear, bring them back to life. Got them from Menards. So you see here, you want them all white. There's no point in spending all that money. They're like $5, $6 a bag. Heavy bags too, heavy. So what I'll do is try to bring them back to life instead of throwing them out. We'll see what happens. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But it's about taking what you got and making it better. At least trying. At least try. Don't just give up. Don't just throw the stuff out. You never know what you got. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.